Welcome to our tutorial on how to search for a specific word in Gmail on your Android device. Searching for a specific word in your emails can save you time and help you find important information quickly. Let's get started. First, launch the Gmail app on your Android device. Once the app is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on Search in Mail to begin your search. Next, type your search term in the search bar. This could be a specific word, phrase, or even an email address. As you type, Gmail will begin to display all the messages that match your search term. Scroll through the results to find the email you are looking for. Once you locate the email with the specific word you are searching for, tap on the result to open the conversation. Gmail will automatically highlight the search term in the email conversation, making it easy for you to spot the word you are looking for. From here, you can read the email, reply to it, or take any other action you need to, and there you have it. Searching for a specific word in Gmail on your Android device is quick and easy. Next time you need to find an email with a specific word, just follow these simple steps. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.